This is the best product launch email I received in the past 4 years. Hi, this is Andrew, the founder of Flowium email marketing agency, as well as this YouTube channel. And in today's video, I would like to show you one very cool product launch email series from one brand that I follow. They have a great design, great content, and they have a great mix of product, like selling you product with a content. And if you either email marketer or you own your e-commerce brand, I strongly suggest to follow this brand for email inspiration. So let's go to my computer and I'll show you, I believe, 3 or 4 emails, how them to launch their new product, and then we'll play their trailer because it's fun. So the brand name is Dr. Squatch. I hope I pronounce it the right way. As you can see, I have a lot of emails from them, and it's one of my best friends that recommended this brand for me. Full transparency, I did not buy any product yet, but after this Halo product launch, I just want to try it. So this is the first email where they launching this product. They have a video. I like their gift, so they show parts of the video, but as well, this is very powerful. Honestly, this is the first time I see it, and I think we might start using this in our own email marketing. So it's like captions. So then the big call to action is watch the video. It's very cool video. If you click here, this is the page, and either shop bar or watch trailer. And here they telling you about the ingredients, how they are so built from, and why it's important. So this email is simple, but at the same time a little bit complicated, from a creative perspective, but it's attractive, catchy, big call to actions, and some information. So there's not much of hey, buy now. At the bottom they have shop now, but before somebody shop now, trust me, everybody probably clicks on watch the video. So the next email, they are telling you how it was created. Again, the same strategy. Basically, they just dividing their trailers in the email. So it's another episode of the trailer, and as you can see, another caption and short story. And I like their call to action set it up. I played Halo a few times in my life, so I'm not very familiar with the game, but they are tying together to Halo game, because a lot of males are playing that game, and they are they selling to males. So that's why they made this partnership, and they talk their language. And the last email is it's limited quantity, but based on my experience, I can tell you right away, they probably had a huge stock of soaps, and if they would sold out, they would probably never send this email, but they prepared in advance, which is great strategy, and they had this email, so they probably have few hundreds or few thousand soaps left, and that's why they sending limited quantity left. So this is urgency right now, and they are selling you this scrub. And also, again, I like how they visually explaining why this soap is the soap for you, or scrub. Sorry, I'm bad with scrubs, soaps, and so forth. And last call, again, they pushing you harder. This is urgency, urgency, urgency. And again, I love their gift, same explanation, shop now, get Spartan Club. So this is the 4 emails how they launch their products. Great example. Creatives are great. Call to actions are clear and talks to the audience. I personally believe the great balance in terms of emails. 4 emails for the one launch is amazing. If you have resources, either financial resources or time resources to do it, I highly recommend. But even if you do only 2 emails of similar, it's still good enough. If you need any other email design inspiration, I have another video about email design inspiration resources, so you can watch it and find your own inspiration for whatever you need, either for welcome flow, amendment card, or some other sequence or campaign. In case you have any additional questions, please leave them under this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, as well as like this video. Thank you. Bye.